Monique. There's Sausage. Got 9 dogs in our pack today. There's Sid. And we got you in our pack. I forgot your name. What's your name again? John? Sean? There's bulldog, I can't remember. Bella? Chubba? Gucci? Any more? Cash? There's young Bailey. Like we said, there's Merkin. Killer pitbull type. There's Sausage. Not really. Like Sausage's arm. There's Cash. There's young Sydney. Hey young Sydney. There's Sausage. Sausage à trois. Magic good sausage. There's Merkin. Gary walking on the booze as per usual. He's going on YouTube. Hello! From Nosy Potter! Hello! Oh, here's the dogs. There they go. Chasing Gary. Face, bothered face. Here they come. There's Shanice. Probably off with the strops. We've had a lovely walk. The dogs have been proper well behaved, apart from Blanche, which is not. Thank you, man. There's young Lance, troublemaker, a little buglet, and there's Sid, the little niglet. Yeah, we've had a good old walk into the trees. Come on, Sausage. Back onto the lead soon. Come on, sort it out. What are you worried about? The stingers?
Yeah.
Call your wusses.
What's happening, snake?
Oh, them big python-like snakes.
Yeah.
That swallow little children.
Yeah.
There's Merkin being a traitor again. That's lumpy and bumpy round hair, aren't it, girl?
Blimey.
Here they come. Merkin the gherkin. Merkin. Sausage, Blanche, little troublemaker. Where's Sydney? There's Sydney. What are you doing, young Sid? Nice kiss. If you like nice kisses and Frenchies off dogs. I guess it is a French bulldog, so French kiss for a French bulldog. There's a wuss.
A wuss there.
There's that wuss mum.
There's some struggling.
Dodgy, yes, struggling. Come on, Gucci. Come on, they're like mountains. Like Castle Hill. Come on, Gooch. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow. There's a path over here where the ancient caveman used to walk. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow. Follow the yellow brick road. Stroppers, youngest journalist. She'll be on YouTube tonight. Look on nosypotter.com. Look under Nosy Potter. Say hello. Say hello to the camera. Oh, she's so shy. Bless her. We could bury her and no one would know. Here's Chubby, he's a good looking boy. Is that all you think about? You sound like a gypsy. You sound like a bleeding gypsy. I'm surprised you haven't got money signs instead of retinas in your eyes. There's that sweet bulldog with Merkin having a nice little piss next to it. Gary getting drunk. He like his bit. Merkin? Gherkin? Hello, come here. Sorry, shit. Fucking hell. Is a 9. 9! There's old Gary. Mafia boss. Chardonnay. There's Chubba trying to get his piece in. Let's look at that paw. Touch it a bit. See what might be a little grass thing or something. Bailey's dribbling. His mum's dribbling. Gary's dribbling. Similar colour these two.
Yeah.
Red fawn.
Yeah. He's on there.
We love you long time. Get married.